Oh God, I got it on my mouth. Hey you little cuties, welcome back to my channel. So can I just start off this video by just saying, like, you guys are freaking awesome. Like, thank you guys so much for all the love and all the entries on my giveaway video and my Instagram post and just everything. Like, I don't know, I'm sorry, like, I won't make this too long, but I thank you guys so much for all of your love and support and your excitement and your thoughtfulness and all the time you've taken to write things out. And I want to say too, so if you're new to my channel, we just hit 10,000 subscribers. We're actually at like 11,000 subscribers now here on my YouTube family. But yeah, so if you're new, that's what I'm talking about. Hi, welcome, I'm Julia. But yeah, anyways, I just wanted to say that. So today I'm going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. So I posted like on the community tab thing a poll in my last unboxing video, which was the Beautylish unboxing, which I'll leave a couple of my most recent unboxings down below in the description box for you guys if you want to go check those out. I'll probably be referencing the Beautylish one a lot in this video, but anyways, I did go ahead and resubscribe to Boxycharm and I did do the Boxy Luxe. So next month will be hopefully a Boxy Luxe unboxing. Give this video a like if you want to go ahead and see that. But anyways, I did a poll because I wasn't sure if you guys wanted me to do this. I know a lot of people do Boxycharm unboxings. I am completely unaffiliated, unsponsored. I pay for this. I don't work with them at all. So I get my box just the same time as pretty much everybody else does. So I asked you guys if you wanted me to even do this video and give you guys my thoughts on this, just because I feel like a lot of their affiliates and sponsored people put out their videos so quick. But at the time of filming this, 78% of you guys said you wanted to go ahead and see it. So I appreciate you guys so much for interacting and for voting. And I really appreciate the interaction. It helps me out so much. It just makes me feel a little more connected to you guys, which is really cool. But anyways, let's get into this completely unsponsored, unbiased review of Boxycharm. This is February 2019, and kind of like the Beautylish video, I'm gonna break it down by price. I'm gonna tell you guys the percentage saved and then let you guys know if I think this is worth your money or not. So this month's theme, I got the card wet, is Afterglow. And the first thing I'm pulling out, I am so excited about. It's the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana Cream Moisture Magnet Oil in Water Body Cream. So Sol de Janeiro is super expensive. This little guy, I think it's like 2.5 ounces, retails for $20. And also really quick before I get into this, I looked up every single one of the items in this box is available on Sephora, which right off the bat, like, that's pretty cool. You're not getting random things, you know what I mean? Like, they're all decent things. But anyways, I've wanted to try this brand for so long. Their Boom Boom or Bum Bum, it's Boom Boom cream, but everyone said Bum Bum cream, and the yellow one was super popular. And I wanted to see what the hype was about, but it was just so expensive. I couldn't get myself to buy it. So getting this in a $21 subscription box, which by the way, I just paid $21. They didn't charge me shipping. I know it just depends on what state you're in, whether you pay shipping, but they don't charge tax or anything like that, and I didn't pay shipping, so I just paid $21 for this box. But anyways, I'm super excited to try this, and I'm gonna be packing my hospital bag pretty soon, and I'm so excited because I'm totally gonna put this in there. I just think this will be a nice little luxurious cream to have at the hospital. And I'll be filming it, guys, so don't worry. And, ooh, it smells, this smells so familiar. I'm not gonna be able to figure out what it is, but it's a familiar smell. Anyways, it's kind of like a warm vanilla sugary scent. There's a hint of coconut in it. I don't know, it's just like a warm, yummy, like sweet smell. And from what I've heard, the consistency of this is a little bit thinner and more water-like than the Boom Boom cream. This little thing says that it instantly transformed dry, dehydrated, irritated skin into its softest, bounciest, most luscious version of itself. Texture kisses the body with a cocoa sugar blend of fermented sugar and nourishing coconut oil to draw, hold, and hug moisture for up to 72 hours. And it says the scents are notes of coconut, toasted praline, and warm vanilla latte. I'd say it smells exactly like that. Ooh, the back of my hands are so dry, so. yeah, it's not like instantly, like the minute you put it on, super moisturizing, but I can already feel it like melting in my skin. So yeah, and it actually does smell good. So anyways, I don't want to talk too much about it, but I was really excited about that. Next thing I'm pulling out, I did try out today for the first time. It is the Touch in Sol No Problem Primer. So I know a lot of people have said this so far and a lot of people agree, but I am not a big fan of pore filling primers. I don't know, I'm kind of more into the like plumping, kind of serum-y primers that are like gonna actually do something for my skin, more like a skincare primer if I wear a primer at all. And I was gonna either pass this along or sell it on Poshmark until I read that this has green tea and collagen in it. So then I'm like, okay, this is something I would like. It does retail for $18. The packaging is really, really nice. It's glass and it comes with a little pump. So I tried it today and it's very like, kind of leaves a powdery feeling afterwards. It's not very like sticky or serum-y. Jesse just got home, so that's why my dogs are going crazy. I do feel like it did fill in my pores. Ro! And I feel like it was actually really mattifying, which I'm not into mattifying just because I have texture, I have smile lines, so I don't want to really accentuate those. So I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this yet. Hi, Sugar Bear.
Mommy's working.
But anyways, if I find I really like this, you'll hear me talk about this more. Next thing, we got the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, the full size. This retails for $24. And I'm someone who, I like this mascara. I think it does do a really good job. I really like the volume and length that it gives. But I cannot justify buying it myself for $24. So I love when they have these in subscription boxes because I'm like, cool. The retail price for this mascara is more than this entire box. So I'm really happy to get it. Again, it's a very popular item. A lot of people like it. I know some people don't, but objectively speaking, this is a really good item to get and it's full size. So I'm happy about that. Next thing we got in here is the Nude Sticks Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. I got the shade Copper Foil. I'm not gonna open and swatch it because I am either going to pass this along or maybe sell it on Poshmark. That's kind of what's nice about getting full-size products too, is if you get something that you personally are not a fan of, you can gift these items if you have someone's birthday or something coming up, or if you're on Poshmark or Mercari, you can sell them to get some of your money back. That's what I like to do with these type of things. But anyways, I'm not a big fan of crayon products. Like, I don't like crayon lip products. I don't like crayon eye products. I don't like crayon brow products. That's just like a personal preference, but I know a lot of people like these because it's quick and easy. It's a pretty color. It's a very wearable color. Again, you can purchase this on Sephora for $24. So I do think this is another decent item to get. It just happens to be something that I personally don't use. And the last item in the box is a bronzer by the brand Pretty Vulgar. I've never tried this brand before. I will say, just like everyone says, I think the packaging is cute. However, this little sucker retails for $32. And I'm gonna have to agree with what a lot of people say. Like, the packaging, it's very light feeling and very plasticky. And I feel like this is kind of like a newer, more upcoming brand. Like, you know what I mean? They're not super established like a Too Faced or, I don't know, a Tarte or a Jouer. So I think the price for this is like kind of expensive, but it's cool that we got it in our box. I got mine in the shade 120, which is Sunkissed Snitch. Snitches get stitches. Sorry, that's like just what popped in my mind. But this shade actually looks super dark for me, but I think this would be a really good contour color. Actually, I think it'd be a really nice contour color for me. And again, I do like the idea of their packaging. Like, it looks like a pretty rose gold frame. I do love trying new bronzers, but I don't know. I can't decide if I want to try this or, again, either pass it along or sell it, because if I do like it, I feel like $32 for a bronzer is a lot to recommend to you guys, you know what I mean? I don't know, I'm always torn. Like, I don't want to get too attached to really expensive products, but then again, I do believe in treat yourself. All right, let's stop this circle I'm about to go in right now. But anyways, I think this is a really cool item, again, to get in the box. It's something that I wouldn't spend my money on But if I'm only paying $21 for like a box of things, like I'm excited to get this in there. I think it's really nice. So a very quick recap, I like doing these. We got Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana Cream. We got Touch in Sol No Problem Primer. We got Too Faced Better Than Sex Full Size Mascara. We got Nude Sticks Luminous Eye Color Crayon. And we got a Pretty Vulgar bronzer. I think this is an awesome variety of products. You got a nice moisturizer, a mascara, a primer, a bronzer, an eyeshadow color. I'm really impressed and I'm really happy I resubscribed to Boxycharm so far this month. The total value of the box was $118, which is 82.2% savings. Again, you don't need to know this, but how you get that number is you divide the amount saved, which was $97 we saved this month. You divide that number by the actual value, and that's how I got that number. In my Beautylish unboxing that I was talking about, I broke down all different kinds of subscription boxes and stuff like that. But anyways, I think the highest so far was FabFitFun. The winter box was 85%, and last month's Boxycharm was like 81%. So again, 2 months in a row, they're over 80% savings. I think that's awesome, guys. Again, we got some well-known brands, Too Faced, Sol de Janeiro. We have some not so well-known brands. You know, I feel like the Touch in Sol, the Nude Sticks, maybe Pretty Vulgar. I don't know, Pretty Vulgar is coming up pretty fast from what I've seen. But they're not like, you know, crazy brands. But again, they're sold in Sephora. They're decent brands. They're exciting products to try. And I have to say, guys, again, completely unsponsored, unaffiliated, I think Boxycharm is totally worth your money. Thank you guys so much for taking some time out of your day to stop by my channel. Again, give this video a like if you want me to continue doing Boxycharm unboxings on here. And if you don't, that's totally fine. Like, I don't mind not doing them. Let me know in the comments, like, if you don't want me to do them, just be like, hey, you know, this was awesome, but I'd rather see something else. That's okay too, guys. I appreciate any and all respectful opinions, which you guys are always really sweet. Anyways, excuse me. Other than that, I will catch you guys in my next video, and I hope you're having a wonderful day, night, morning, wherever you are, and you know what that means. Catch you in my next video.